After celebrating our parents' wedding anniversary at Subic Ocean Adventure, our journey continued to the cool mountain city of Baguio. For this part of our trip, we stayed at San Mis Penthouse along Quezad Road, which is very close to Burnham Park and other popular tourist spots.
We start the engine, feel the morning light. Every road we take reminds us you're still by our side.
Two little angels watching every mile. We carry your names in every laugh and every smile.
This journey heals the pieces of our hearts.
Through mountains, seas, and skies, we'll never be apart.
Morning mga Kuya, matagal na po kayo dito kaya?
Ako po, sa ngayon po, bago lang po talaga ako ngayon. Bago lang po. Ako pala si JB Vlog.
Ayun po. Tagal na po kayo kuya?
Ako po, hindi po ako taga dito.
Saan po?
Taga Bacolod City po.
Taga Bacolod. Kamusta niyo po mga taga Bacolod po?
Shout out po sa mga taga Bacolod yan. Since nandito na ako ngayon sa Baguio City, Pagalagala, hanggang saan katrabaho na.
Gano'ng katagal na po kuya?
Magto 2 years pa lang sa
Magto
March
2
po,
years.
sir.
Okay. Sige. Good luck dito kuya. Thank you ha.
Thank you.
Salamat. Kayo pala ang ano. Lahat po ito, binabandayan nyo? O ano po ba?
Yung dito lang po.
Ayan.
Building A, Building B. Pero parking lang dito ng Building G.
Ayos naman.
Natutulungan sila.
So ano po kayo maggala sa Baguio?
Ako nang pagala. Baon na.
Saan maganda akong galaan dito, sir?
Pwede dito sa Burnham Park, sa Kite Park,
Oo.
kahit saan po, madami namang galaan dito sa Leons, ano ba yan?
Arco.
Malaking Leons.
Oh, yun, sa Arco. Leo's Arc.
Ganun. So,
Ayos.
shout out kay Sir
Ice D, travel vlog.
Sir ay Ma'am
Aisa.
Aisa.
Yeah.
Bagay pangalan
Kaya shoutout ulit mga taga Bacolod ulit. Shoutout mga taga Bacolod.
Dito ka sa Occidental. Yun, nag-ipagkita.
Sige ba? Sige ba? Ay, ano po last name ko ya?
Last name ko pala si Birasis.
Yo, mga biratis po. Mga taga Bacolod na kuya. Thank you po kuya. Thank you.
Ang init. Ayo, tarang cute nito. Oh. Burnham Hill Condominium. Marami pala dito magkakadikit na condo. Morning. We're here at Zoneville Condominium.
Raining Baguio. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Raining Baguio.
We will stay here for 3 days. This is our second day.
Okay. Second day.
We will check out tomorrow at noon.
Yesterday, saan pa tayo?
We were at Subic.
Today. Yesterday.
We booked these through Facebook, but we remind everyone to always be careful. Check permits, documents, and the legitimacy of the property before sending any down payment. You may also choose to book through Agoda for more secure and verified option.
Room namin. Yan, this is our room. Tapos this is the third room. In the second floor. This is the third room. This is a mirror. This This is the CR.
On the second floor, 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. On the first floor, 1 bedroom, a kitchen, living area, and 1 bathroom. The place is great for families and big groups. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in total.
Max, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're going out. Hey, hi, say hi. Wow, you're wearing the shorts.
Hindi na naisuot ang mga damit na dapat isuot. Kaya maisuot. Diyan sa mga. Ayan, sige, kayo na lang muna. Baba.
Hi, Bebe Max. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Hello, Bebe Max.
On our first day, we walked to Burnham Park, which is only about 5 to 10 minutes from our B&B. We bought food for lunch and snacks and enjoyed eating our packed meals while relaxing at the park. We rented bicycles and spent time riding around the area. A simple but fun bonding moment for the family. If you enjoy water activities, you can also rent a small boat at the lagoon.
Sige, mag-bike na tayo. Hanapin natin si Bebe Max.
Kuya, ate.
Hindi ko kumamit ang drone dito, kuya.
Ha?
Drone pwede. Sino mo payong? Tarating mo na lang to.
Hindi, bakit hindi ka magmapayong?
Yan.
Ano ka drone tayo eh? Ayaw mo? Ano?
Bahala ka, pwede mo mag-drone habang nagbabike.
Ay, magpapalipat kayo, kuya.
Pwede
Bawal
tayo.
po.
Bawal.
Ilagay mo na yung payong.
Ilagay.
Bawal daw eh. Dapat tayo mag-video. Gano'n mo na lang.
Oo, yung ito, naka-video na oh.
Bubay, diba? Mamaya na.
May na po.
Balik kami ni mama dahil.
Tama, mabigat ako, bahala siya. 20 minutes mga.
Okay. Hindi naman tayo magbabike ng 30 minutes. Kaya ka nang gustong gawin ito eh. Bawal na mag-drone, hindi ko pwede na mag-drone.
Bawal daw mag-drone kasi nagpapaalam kami sa police. Kailangan pa namin ng drone suit.
Ay, selfie drone lang bawal sa Hagno.
Yan o, maraming nagbabikes. Mga bata. Hinahanap din namin si Bebe Max. Oh, walang niya. Cute.
Ngayon, nakapicture tayo.
Oops, 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 oops. Oops.
Matras pala gusto mo
Matras.
ha. Yun nga.
Baka mabaga na naman tayo. Wala na si Batchin. Funny rides. Baka nandito si Bebe Max. Oo.
Saan ako bibili dito? Gusto bata.
Wala na si Bebe Max. Kami, nagbike na kami sa Burnham. So ito yung gustong gawin ni Papa Tar. Hindi naman siya nag-aano. Oh. Gusto mo yan, ha? Gusto mo. Oo. Mababangga yung maliit. Dapat pala, yung maliliit, nasa isang ano lang. Tapos yung may malalaki.
Ano maya? Halo-halo.
Merong apatan. Sila mama nandun. Ayun o. Kami, nag-bike na kami.
Magpapapicture pa siya dito sa Police Assistance Center. Yan. Thank you. Marunong ba? Tinuruan mo?
Camera ka.
Yan. Okay.
Okay na yan, sama. Ay, isa pa, last, malapit. Okay. Thank you, kuya. Ingat mo, kuya. Thank you po.
Bebe Max! Napicturan mo na? Baka mamangga. Yeah. Bebe Max! Oh, hello Bebe Max!
Mga taga saan kayo, kuya? Kalinga. Kalinga. Shout out sa mga taga Kalinga.
Shoutout sa inyo mga taga Kalinga.
Ay, mga kamag-anak nyo doon. Yung mga alan. Anong last name? Lahi ba?
Si AJ at saka si Dugong.
Lugang. Kaya kuya?
Si Pangtusan.
Pangtosan. Sige. Nalalayo pa pala kayo. Okay, kuya. Thank you. Yeah.
There are already many souvenir shops nearly even early in the morning, so you can start buying gifts and pasalubong. There is also a new skating area for kids, making the park a great place for family activities.
Ano, magbo-boat ride tayo?
250 po, isang bangka.
Ha? 250?
Per boat po.
Magbabangka tayo, Tar? Sama natin si Max.
Hindi po.
Ayaw daw ni Aileen, matatakot.
May life vest.
Matatakot.
Sa 5 feet lang.
Ayaw niya na.
Sige, mga bangka.
Masarap pala umupo dito, Taro. Ayan o. Pwede ba dito selfie?
Ganun lang, oh.
Ha?
Papunta doon, babalik.
We start the engine, feel the morning light. Every road we take reminds us you're still by our side.
Two little angels watching every mile. We carry your names in every laugh and every smile.
Oo. Si Mako yung nag-suggest nito. O mama, naka-video kayo. Mag-hi kayo. Hi! Nasa camp dyan. Si Ma. Nasa ano tayo? Nasaan ba tayo? Nasa ano yun? Chocolate patro. Ano yun? Chocolate. O-order daw tayong chocolate doon. Tara. Tara. Ano pang order? Hey, Bebe Max! Hi! Hi, Hi ka, Bebe Max. Hindi ito. Hi. Hi, Bebe. Hi, Bebe. We're going to order the chocolates.
Mag-order na tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong order eh. At choco daw. Yun lang naman. Eh kasi restaurant dito.
We're going to order hot choco.
O, dandahan na ba to?
Wow! Bebe Max! Yan o. Waiting. Pumila ka daw, Aileen. Diyan, umupo ka.
Paano ko pipila?
On our second day, we visited the well-known Chocolate de Baterol restaurant to try their original hot chocolate blend.
Hot choco daw.
Choco.
Bungad lang pala eh. So,
Kape pa lang, duro. Oh, ayun pala, mayroon pa.
ito yun o.
Ka-partner kasi ng hot choco siguro.
Original blend.
Baguio Veggies.
Chocolate.
Pakbet con lechon.
Tastina.
Chip salad. Kangkong tofu. Gusto ko kangkong
Ulit
tofu.
mahawag may babalik ah. Sit down na, sit down na.
Aba, nagustuhan niya yung pancit mo. Oh, baka masuka. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Duduan?
Baka ang dami niya kinain.
Nakatatlong biskuit.
Ha?
Ewan mo magkakain ka hot choco.
Paano hindi nag-i?
Ayan o. Ganyan mo. Oh, tapos ito. Mga ganun pa. Mga ganun ka pa. May pag-ganun.
Ito kasi kinukontra mo eh. Ikaw magagaling.
Quick tip for visitors. Go early because there is usually a long line before you can enter.
Here riding with you through the wind and the blue.
Every sunset feels like a promise come true.
Picture tayo doon sa may pine tree. Oh, kanal yata yun eh. Doon tayo doon. Akyat tayo doon para sa picture.
Makakalundag yun. Mayroon naman
Jump. Dito, hindi tayo doon. Baka mahulog si Max dito ah. Up. Where are we going? Maganda pala dito mag-picnic. Kung pwede.
The beauty of the world helps us soften the pain.
We share the details, the budget, and the way. So others find the courage to live and embrace each day.
Hi, Bebe Max.
Nature whispers gently, you're not alone.
Each road we travel feels a little like home. Our story may be broken, but our spirit's strong. In every ride, your love still rides along.
Place is popular for its traditional chocolate drink, and the experience is truly worth it, especially in Baguio's cold weather.
Every sunrise writes a memory new.
80 travel where our hearts belong.
For dinner, we eat at the famous Good Taste restaurant, known for its big servings, affordable meals, and dishes that are perfect for sharing with the whole family.
Sa taas. Pwede namang another nurse.
Daddy.
Ayos pala ka na. Ayan na. Daddy.
Ano yun? Sila na kayo nasa taas na? 10.
Mama, Papa. Yan. Mag-iit kami. Si Bebe Max yan. Baka naman maubos na yung memory natin. Wala pa yung pagkain.
Pinapork siya sa ano. Mag-isis lang ako ha. Salamat. Kain kami ni Mama Tar. Mama Tar, eat tayo. Maipit ka na, itong ka na.
Oo.
No?
Basta shrimp. Ay, shrimp pala pa. Ay, okay nahulog dun.
Sayang ko tsaka, dali na yan. Sayang eh. Oo, sayang eh.
Kinari ko talaga.
Uy, plastic nga na, sabaw pa eh. Ano? Okay. Tara. Tara. May robot. Galing na, may robot pala ah. Galing ah, ayos yan ah. Robot na si serve, no?
Galing eh, no?
Automatic. Automatic. Galing ah. Galing na ah. Pero pala elevator eh. Matay, busag ka. Kapag. Sir Pod, good taste. 24 hours kasi yan.
On our third and final day, we went to the strawberry farm to buy fresh strawberries and fruits, strawberry jams and local products, souvenirs and gifts.
Baba Max, do you want ice cream? Do you want ice cream?
We start the engine, feel the morning light. Every road we take reminds us you're still by our side.
Two little angels watching every mile. We carry your names in every laugh and every smile.
This journey heals the pieces of our hearts.
Through mountains, seas, and skies, we'll never be apart.
We tell our story so the world can see that love still lives in every memory. Here riding with you through the wind and the blue.
Every sunset feels like a promise come true.
Travel, this is our way to say we'll keep moving forward day by day, sharing every view, every place, every song. You're in our hearts as we travel along.
We capture the rivers, the streets, and the rain. The beauty of the world helps us soften the pain.
We share the details, the budget, and the way Others find the courage to live and embrace each day.
Nature whispers gently, you're not alone.
Each road we travel feels a little like home. Our story may be broken, but our spirit's strong. In every ride, your love still rides along.
We also had lunch there before heading back to Manila.
Bulalo. Tsaka lechon kawali, tsaka chapsoy. Ano ba? Si Bebe Max Fish yung kakainin yan eh. Fish.
Sa namin ang dami ng kinain eh.
Wow.
Hindi naman naubos na niya yun.
Hello, Bebe Max. Hello, Bebe Max. Oh, nagpapakita siya sa camera. Alam na niya. Anim. Ay, yung soft drinks natin pala. Ipadala natin kay Makoy.
Yung ban.
Ah, dito na lang. Tininin, tinin, tinin. Yan na si Makoy, yan na. Dala-dala lagi yung van. Saan tayo upo? Doon na? Dito sa ano?
Sorry baby, oh. Sorry baby.
For travelers planning a similar trip, here is our approximate 3-day budget.
Accommodation, 10,000 for 3 days. Gas, Manila to Baguio, around 7,000. Toll fees, around 2,000 pesos.
Trip from Subic Ocean Adventure to Baguio has been a very special journey for our family, as we celebrated our parents' wedding anniversary. More than the places we visited and the food we enjoyed, what made this experience truly meaningful was the time we spent together, sharing stories, laughter, and moments we will always remember.
To our mom and dad, thank you for your love, your sacrifices, and the beautiful example of commitment that you continue to show us. This trip is our simple way of honoring you and celebrating your life together. And to everyone watching, we hope this vlog inspires you to spend more time with your loved ones and create memories that truly matter. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you again on our next journey here on AD Travel Vlogs.
Love still lives in every memory. You riding with you through the wind and the blue.
Every sunset feels like a promise come true.
80 travel, this is our way to say we'll keep moving forward day by day, sharing every view, every place, every song. You're in our hearts as we travel along.
We capture the rivers, the streets, and the rain. The beauty of the world helps us soften the pain.